tirade from the one and only cat McSnatch coming at ya.
Don't be a racist, don't be a fool. Everyone is different, everyone is cool.
Everyone is cool.
Don't generalize, don't believe the lies. Racism is hatred in disguise.
Alright, we're gonna wind it up here now, people are into it.
Just because you're Asian does not mean you are smart. Just because you're Brazilian don't mean you are a slut. Just because you're Jewish doesn't mean you're tight. Just because you're rich and fat does not mean you are white.
Why?
Don't be a dick. Cause I know I'm a hypocrite. Racism is wrong unless you put it into a song. Just because you're Swedish does not mean you are fine. Just because you're American don't mean you own a gun. Just because you're Italian don't mean you can cook. Just because your skin is black don't mean you are a crook.
Now you're not a crook because of the color of your skin, yeah.
Don't be a dick.
Don't be no dick.
Cause I know I'm a hypocrite. Racism is wrong unless you put it into a song.
We got to focus on the love and not the hate now.
If you don't like this tribe, don't be a stereotype. Ooh, screw you, hippie. Don't fret, I did. This song makes me a hypocrite. So what? I got the microphone.
It doesn't matter if you're colored red, white or blue. If you're purple, brown, green or yellow, just be you. Have a sense of humor, but never be complacent. Don't perpetuate the rumors and don't be a business.
If you're Indian, don't mean you drive a cab. If you're Lebanese, don't mean you like kebabs.
No kebab
Just
for
because
you.
you're French, don't mean that you eat snails. But if you're Japanese, stop mattering the way. Don't be a dick. Cause I know I'm a hypocrite. Racism is wrong unless you put it into a song.
Alright, we're gonna do it one more time for the people in the back.
Don't be a dick. Cause I know I'm a hypocrite. Racism is wrong unless you put it into a song.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was Cat McSnatch coming at ya.
I try to live my life every day. Keep out of strife, come what may. I try to do unto others as I'd have them do to me. But it can't be done for everyone, and now it's plain to see. You are a cunt. I think that's stinking cunt. Say it ain't true, but he'll tell you you're motherfucking cunt. You are a cunt. Motherfucking cunt. Everybody knows from your head to your toes you're a big fat stinking cunt. I try to be real nice, say it twice, be real nice, even though it is hard to keep up this facade. And now I see, dearie me, what an asshole this would be. I'm out of luck, don't give a fuck, cause you're the cunt, not me.
Why don't you go fuck yourself, dickhead?
You are a cunt. I think that's stinking cunt. Say it ain't true, but I'm gonna tell you you're motherfucking cunt. You are a cunt. Motherfucking cunt. Everybody knows from your head to your toes you're a big fat stinking cunt. Why don't you shut that scabby cunt mouth before I fuck up your face?
Fuck out of my goddamn fucking face. Whatever.
I try to be real nice, say it twice, good advice, even though it's futile. Fucking imbecile. I don't know why I try to deny this nagging itch. You maniac, gonna get you back, you fucking son of a bitch. You are a cunt. A big fat stinking cunt. Say it ain't true, but he'll tell you you're a motherfucking cunt. You are a cunt. Motherfucking cunt. Everybody knows from your head to your toes you're a big fat stinking cunt.
Hey, here's something a little different. This is called Taking Skinny Blonde Girl to Dinner. Therapist of mine, I kind of wanna die. My life is full of problems, yeah, my life is rife with strife. Been on Prozac for so long I can't remember how to feel. The Klonopin is kicking in and I'm trying to steal a glimpse of hope, but I can't find it. Depression is a vicious foe. Genetics and a stressful time have fucked my ability to cope, but I'm taking Skinny Blonde Girl out to dinner this week. The most beautiful girl in my school who wants to go out to eat. I guess life isn't all that bad. Therapist, you see, I'm rather unhappy. I'm worried about my grandma, see she's losing memories. She fell down the stairs yesterday and now she has a sprain. Not only is her mind going, she's also in some pain. My lineage is faulty, I guess my family is a fucking mess. I can't escape their bullshit, it's no wonder I'm depressed. But I'm taking Skinny Blonde Girl out to dinner tomorrow. For a bit my life will be completely devoid of sorrow. I guess life isn't all that bad. It's true, I've always been quite blue, a ball of negativity since early on in youth. Anxiety has filled my dreams since I could fathom death, and I've cried about it since that happy childhood be damned. Kids picked on me sporadically and faggot was a favorite. I guess I'll stop complaining though, cause none of them can say shit. Cause I took Skinny Blonde Girl out to dinner today. My heart swells at the thought of it in glorious array. I guess life isn't all that bad. My heart forgets its purpose to set a tired head straight. But love is understanding. Love will always wait. I took Skinny Blonde Girl out to dinner, that's right. She dropped me off when we were done. The stars never as bright. She told me that she cared so deeply, and it shone in blue eyes and the briefest touch. No one will ever know. Don't give up on yourself. Love runs wide and deep. I promise you there's reason to cherish the life you keep. Thank you. Hello, this is Emily Carter, and this is my original song, Your Girlfriend is a Cunt. Enjoy. Hey, it's been a while, how's your newest fix? Seems she's got a taste for a mouthful of dictionaries, haven't enough words to say. All the lovely ways in which I'd like to claim just as fat. In treating you well, you know she surely lacks. Cheating on you, bitching at you night and day. It's a wonder that she hasn't made you gay. Your girlfriend is a cunt. Your girlfriend is a cunt. Calling you at 3 a.m. just to yell.
Oh my god, I saw this bitch posted hey on your Facebook wall. Who the fuck is she?
Making your financial life a living hell.
Okay, if you want me to come see you, you have to pay for my gas money and my phone bills so that I can text all my friends while we're hanging out.
Can't you see she's crazy and unhealthy too?
Okay, I'm gonna fuck all your friends and tell you about it and still take your picture while you're sleeping.
I'm just saying this because I care about you. Your girlfriend is a cunt. Your girlfriend is a cunt. Your girlfriend is a cunt. Your girlfriend is a cunt.
Thank you.
I have something to confess. It may get me in a mess. I must get it off my chest. When you know I'm home alone and I still don't pick up my phone, it's because I don't like you. I would rather take a nap than listen to all of your crap. Is this getting through? Give up, loser, go away. I got better things to do with my day. Get it through your head, I don't like you. It's not me, it's you. Please go get a clue. I cannot explain what's wrong with your brain. Go jump off a bridge, I don't like you. If you've got the wrong idea, I can make this crystal clear. I don't return your calls, 'cause I don't like you. Sometimes I think, what the heck, next time I'll punch you in the neck. Stay away, I don't like you. You're driving me to homicide. Nobody noticed if you died. Well, it's because they don't like you. There is nothing to discuss. I hope you get hit by a bus. Why don't you kiss my ass? I don't like you. It's not me, it's you. Please go get a clue. I cannot explain what's wrong with your brain. Go jump off a bridge. Go die in a ditch. Just piss off, you stupid bitch. I don't like you.